go carry the tire and get some air in it. We do a quick tire change. Alright folks, I'm reach him foot, but him don't put on the tire. You know, hear me at all, brother. Alright. So.
Oh, that now the scratch up this.
This?
No, this.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's alright still, you know.
Oh.
It by the time the brake shoe touch it, it rub back down, but I put it there. Phone up on vibrate. Just a minute. Clench the tube. Tire hole, so easy to come out. Yeah. But wait, a tubeless tire, brother.
Eh?
A tubeless.
So not tubeless this?
Yeah. But we think a tube did in it.
Oh, yeah, that me I say me take.
All in all, you made the right decision. Holy crap. You know, hear me I say, me no want pinch a tube.
Hey.
I think a tube tire. Me I tell you, no, brother.
I never see it marked funny thing I said, no is.
A tubeless. Rotted. Tubeless, yeah, run, brother. So it figure. This no, this me not see no arrow. Pan this.
Yeah, arrow the pan this.
Yeah. Cause the thread, that one there, the thread, it then our arrow type. This, it just goes straight round. You see me? Me frighten me say yo. Alright. So. Alright, good. So we will drop him on now. Between one side and front down here. So. Boom. One little portion. You can just rush it on top right and just put it in front here. So. Right. Alright. Just want a piece of it come over. That one I go hard because the bead them strong.
Right,
That's why I made that say if you have no oil. Shit. Yeah.
half pressure this.
That good man. If you there now, let's see if we can force it around this way. Like so, there we go. Push down that part now. Yeah, so just hold it down for me. Yeah, because we don't want that pop out. As we go round it, I get tighter and tighter. So we have to go use this. Pop it in. We say they have no little aisle. And try it without still. Yeah. The aisle just make things easier. I've got to use your foot if your hand get weak. Oh. Press him down. Alright, the rest of it fall in place. How much shirt just rip? Alright, press down. You have to know. Boom. Then gone in. Guess what now? Me not think the pump now go send enough air tonight. Yeah, because that tubeless, so I need enough air to pop the bead them to make everything sit down properly. Right. Yeah. So, which pioneers tire shop there? Tire shop there about the place? Tire shop there per road? No tire shop now there per road?
You have gas station, we have air hose. Alright,
me can use that. Then charge?
No man, I think you have to lift something.
ID or something?
Teeth, yeah, teeth it was.
Oh, alright. Alright, so I'm going to carry the tire and get some air in it. Because that the pump then I go put no air in it. So see back there, we do a quick tire change. This didn't even take no more than maybe 120 minutes. You see me? So put the tire up on the bike here, so carry the rag. Feel like my shirt bust out a while ago. My phone there. Carry my phone. So here now this. I'll black me up. Hopefully it doesn't. Alright, so night I catch me on curfew is what, 7 o'clock, and it's like 6:31 right now. We're unable to get through to anywhere to get it pumped. I mean, I don't know no way up there, so just I'll go leave it for the night, and tomorrow morning I'll come back and deal with it early. So sooner then. Alright, so put some air in this. How much PSI? Eh? Good man. 40. I walk on it. It not work.
Work, man.
That work? Check it out for me. Yeah, you have to go give security. Enough to pull out, man.
Yes, to pull out. Oh, you gotta get here.
Yeah, I know water hose, you know. Oh, yeah, then what I do? It's supposed to.
Oh, man, the first one just done.
Yeah, that me I do, man.
Don't
See, you know. Yeah man, tag up. You know, reach up. Oh, ain't gone. Drop it down back and try it. Oh, this is a sickness stay, so.
I go up now.
Nah, go up at all. The tire shop not up here.
Yeah, man.
Whisper.
One on my side one.
Alright. I look like a valve have come out, you know. Yeah. But I give security ID, cause
your ID?
yeah, cause I must say me not really forgive nobody else the hose, you know. Cause me don't have no problem, you see me?
Yeah, go back out there.
Just give me it, man.
Huh?
Just give me it, man, and
Yeah, I'll go for your one.
Hmm?
I'll go for your one.
Yeah.
That man's gonna give me some of it.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, really come for that.
You make YouTube video?
Oh, me? Yeah, man. Alright, folks, I'm reaching foot, but him don't put on a tire, cause what me did do, me did carry it to one tire shop, but the man couldn't deal with it, so me just give him back. He carry it to the tire shop, man pump it up and thing for him, so he put it on back, which is good. These tires are very easy to change. Alright, this one now, it's a tubeless front tire, and I want to know what you think about a tubeless front tire. I personally, I don't like tube tires on bike, so me not run it none at all. If a dirt bike, then maybe, but tubeless is my recommendation. Alright, I want to know what you think. But as me I say, brother, me personally don't like when we front tire. Watch it, dude, me not even see it, you know. Yeah, man, he get him first, Cherry. Yeah, me didn't even see it, brother. Oh yes, yes. Yeah, man, he can't straighten, man. From in a broke, he alright. I see me price it up a little bit there. From in a broke, yeah, alright, bro.
But I know this ground because it's a bend.
That bend, yep.
So we can't touch it none at all. It's like it stick.
Oh, it grab.
Yeah.
Oh.
You drop on here, so.
Okay. Tire good, brother. Yeah, man. So you're ready to go, bro. Ready to go.
And then what did the whole of this have got change there? Because the mirror broke out this one.
Oh crap. So you not have no right mirror. Shit.
I wonder if the whole of this have got replaced.
Yeah, man, cause this are all in one, you know. This depend this it connect to this. So what you can do, you still have this though. You can get epoxy.
Oh.
Yeah, man, and a steel epoxy and put it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A steel epoxy, you know, it come like this, you know. Cause me put on my engine. Yeah, man, steel epoxy, brother, is strong. Strong, man, and metal when it done, you know. When it dry, you know. Yeah, man. So all you do, you give it some time to dry. You hold it and you make sure it's set. And then you left it. And you know, touch it from you put it on, you know, touch it. So you know, so you can put it on all over when I lock down them, so you know, if you fiddle with the mirror. You see me? Yeah. The clutch, the in still. Anyway, you like it still. Alright, I saw you for there. Woo! He catch me! Yes, sir. Try yourself.